Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first, just open your Play Store. Now tap on the More icon right here, click on My Apps and Games, and here you've got all applications that can be updated. So you can either update one particular application, for example Google Drive, by tapping on Update right next to the particular app. Here you can observe the progress. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can grab some photos, search the browser, call to somebody, do whatever you want to, and in the background the application will be updated. As you can see, it has been already done, and now you will find it under Recently Updated. And you can also update all applications just with one click. Just click on Update All, and then they will be automatically updated. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your DOOGEE S50. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.